Hi, I'm Maxime Verheul and we're now at the shop at Oude Kraan. In the shop you can buy all the materials you can use in the workspaces behind me. What's nice about our shop is that you can buy the materials in exactly the amount that you want. So you don't have to buy the whole piece, you can buy a little piece if you want. If you go upstairs, down here we have the wood and the metal. Upstairs we have more specialized materials. For example, we have all kinds of tapes, paint, glue and screws over there. But my favorite section is over there. In this corner you can buy plastic for the vacuum former. And the vacuum former is my favorite machine because you can create intriguing shapes out of sheet plastic. Like this one. The prices in our store are very reasonable. This is because they're lower than the prices in normal hardware stores around Arnhem. Okay, dankjewel.